Hi, today I will show you how to create a simple Hello World application in Scala using IntelliJ IDEA. Let's start by creating a new SBT project. We will name it Hello World. It can take a few moments for the project to be successfully loaded, so be patient here. Now let's navigate to src main.scala directory and create new Scala file named Hello World. We will create an object named Hello World that extends up a Scala helper class so that we can run application directly, and of course set up Scala SDK. So now we can print line saying Hello World. And we can run our application by clicking right on the name of the file and selecting Run Hello World. Now after the project has compiled, you may see output in the console saying Hello World. Our simple Hello World application is now complete. Let's try to make it a bit more interesting by adding a new method called greet that would take a name as a parameter of type string. Return type would be unit, as method won't return anything, but we would print a statement from it. So let's add a print line, and we can use string interpolation in order to use parameter name in the string, and we can do it by adding s in front of the double quotes and then passing a name parameter with a $sign in the string. Now let's call the method and pass a name parameter, and I would use Anna as it's my name. Let's run our application one more time. And as you may see on the console, output is Hello Anna, which is the value of parameter name. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment below.